Today I'm in windy Ritzville at a field full of camelina, a crop that I've never heard of that's used for its oils.
We have 70 acres of camelina.
Kurt Greenwalt is the owner of Ole World Oils. They're the only camelina processors here in Washington. Well, tell me a little bit about camelina.
Sure.
I haven't heard of it.
Well, most
and
people,
I've never seen it.
Yeah, most people haven't. Camelina is really an ancient crop. They've dated it back about 3,500 years in human history. Biblical scholars have told me that it was very common during the time of Jesus. The seeds are what contain the oil. The oil is extremely high in omega-3s. The nutritional aspect of camelina compared to other oils is just huge. You just can't compare it. Our vitamin E content is about 12 times what olive oil has. So it's huge in vitamin E, as well as the versatility of cooking with it, using it for cosmetics, as an anti-inflammatory, as a vitamin E supplement, or an omega-3 supplement. It'll do all those things.
Camelina is commonly used for horses to keep inflammation down and to create a healthy coat.
The people we sell to in Lexington said a year ago that 6 horses in the Kentucky Derby were using our oil.
Kurt took me on a tour of his processing facility where the seeds are cleaned and pressed into oil.
When they're harvested, that camelina will be stored at least 6 to 9 months. It just gives it time to respirate and mellow out a little bit. It'll come out of this auger into our seed cleaner.
Okay.
It's got 3 screens. It comes down and basically it takes out the weed seeds, debris. It's not perfectly clean, but it comes into here.
Yeah, so
and it's
these are
clean enough to go through the press.
So this is the clean stuff.
Yeah.
Wow,
And
look at how pretty this is.
from here, it'll go up this auger, feeds down into the press, and there the press will crush it. It releases the oil, and the meal, which is the spent seed, comes out. Well, this is the meal, and it's a little warm. This is what we sell for feed. Most of it goes for chickens. Runs about 40% protein, about 10% fat.
That is so cool.
So it's,
Very hot.
Yeah, and then the oil will take a series of gravitational settlings, and the remaining dirt and small seed is settled out.
To end our day, Kurt let me bottle my own oil to take home.
There you go.
Oh, there
Perfect.
we go. Oh,
Perfect.
that's not that bad.
Yeah, no. And you just take one of those and open it, and on it goes.
And then this.
That's all right. It'll catch. There you go. Looks pretty good.
Not really.
Well, if you just, yeah, it's not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah.
It could have been better.
Yeah, you can come work for us
Yeah.
anytime.